Now we're going to go through the ingredients of chocolate chunk best ever cookies. We're going to use for that, we're going to need 4.5 to 5 cups of flour, 2 cups of white sugar, 2 cups of dark brown sugar, 1 1/3 cup of oil or 2 cups of margarine if you wish, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 eggs, a cup of cocoa, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, chocolate chunks, 14 ounces, a sifter for the cocoa, a small bowl for the wet ingredients, a bigger bowl for the dry ingredients, a spoon, 2 baking papers and a baking sheet.